Guys, and welcome back to my beauty space. My name is Anna. If you're new, do not forget to subscribe. I also wanted to mention very quickly that I want to start adding a little bit more of fashion to this YouTube channel. I know I always do makeup stuff, but I want to bring you more hauls or maybe outfit of the days and stuff like that. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you guys, I do add more of my fashion stuff over there. So you should. I'll link the link down below so you can go follow me on Instagram. But that is pretty much all for today. Hopefully you guys enjoy this makeup look. And if you're new, like I said, do not forget to subscribe. And subscribe, like, and share. Guys, I wanted to create this makeup tutorial because I wanted to do a glowy skin. Because we all know spring is here now. So I wanted to go in with this mask here. It looks something like this. This was a gift from a family member, so thank you. So I'm gonna let the mask sit in my face for 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll be back. Guys, so now that I took out my mask, you could tell that my skin is really hydrated. And I'm gonna be going in with my Eyebrow-Dipbrow and setting that all over my face, just to keep that going. Guys, so I'm just gonna do something very simple to my eyes. I want my skin to be the center of attention. I want it to look beautiful and really healthy and really glowy. For my eye primer, I'm just gonna go with the concealer and I'm gonna be using the NYC HD Studio. So it looks something like this. Next step, I'm going to be using a brown shade. It really doesn't matter which kind of brown as long as it's something to blend out your eyeshadow. And I'm going to be using my Kat Von D Bake and Highlight, contour and highlight I mean. So I'm just going to be using that. So now that I have applied that to my eyes, I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics palette. And I'm going to go in with any orange shade that I have here in front of me. Really. And I'm just going to be adding that to the eyes. So now that we have applied the orange to our eyes, I want to go in with this Halo Wet n Wild. And this is usually just to give you a glow to your skin. But I want to use this in the eyes. I'm not exactly sure if you could. But I'm going to go in with a flat brush and just kind of grab a little bit of product. And kind of place that in the middle of the eyes. So now that it's dry, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's kind of like a gold yellow. So now that we have that, I'm gonna leave the eyes alone for now and I'm gonna move on to the skin. But I'm gonna move on to my foundation now. So just to keep the glow going, I'm going to go back with the Eyebrow-Dipbrow setting spray and just spread that all over the face. So now I'm going to move on to concealer and I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm going to be using two different shades. I have here the Yellow Corrector. And the only reason why I use this is because I feel like the shade that I have is too light for me. So I like to mix in with yellows. And if I just leave it yellow, it's gonna look too yellow. So I like to mix my concealers, especially these ones here. I'm gonna go in with the LA Concealer Natural and just add that on top of the other concealer. I like how they both blend together and they give me the right shade that I like. I'm gonna go in and contour with a cream contour, and I'm just gonna be applying that kind of all over my face to bring me back to life. Now that I have kind of contoured and added my concealer, I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D and just kind of set everything into place. So I'm just going to be grabbing this shade right here, just to give me a little bit of color to my skin. And I'm just applying a little bit lightly. I'm not going overboard like I usually would, because I want my skin to be still dewy. I'm gonna go in with this here and also this color right here. I'm gonna go in with my Eyebrow-Dipbrow and kind of just spray all over the face. So I'm gonna go in with this here by Wet n Wild, and it's called Hello Halo, and it's just a highlighter but in liquid form. I don't know if you can see that. It's so good. And I also added a little bit of that to my eyes, so I'm just gonna be dabbing that here. I think that's a little bit too much. I'm gonna be blending that with my finger first. I'm gonna go back, do the same. I'm gonna be adding a little bit on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose, and then on top of the lips, a little bit all over the eye, just to give it a little bit glow. I'm gonna go in with this Real Techniques brush and just kind of blend all that out. Now, can you see that glow? So one more time, I'm gonna go in with the Eyebrow-Dipbrow setting spray and just kind of let that sit there. So I'm pretty much done with the skin. I'm gonna come back with the eyebrows and the rest of the eyes and the lips. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go back to the palette and I'm gonna be grabbing another orange shade. It doesn't really matter which one as long as it's orange. And I'm gonna be smoking out the bottom lash line. So I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild Precious Petals, and I'm just gonna be adding that on the high points where I place the other highlighter, and this is gonna give me a little bit more of the glow that I'm looking for. And this is pretty much the final look, you guys. Hopefully I enjoy. I wanted to bring something more neutral to my channel and also something really glowy, because I usually try to stay away from oily products. But yeah, this is the final look. Hopefully I enjoy, and yeah.